back and it's day 2 of hiking in Richmond Park. Yeah, you guys excited?
Yeah.
Oh, gotta be careful, okay?
Dad.
This one can bite you. Don't get him on you because it will bite you. Yeah?
What's that?
Look at the picture, it's tick.
Tick. What's the tick?
The name of the bug.
Why is...
See the one that I showed you over there? You're not meant to touch that or put it on you because it will bite you, okay? Cannot feed no deer here. Right, let's go for adventure. You ready?
Yeah.
A deer was here. She ran away from there. Do you think we could see some rabbits?
And one. Not really. It's not really springtime.
A few moments later.
Look, a rabbit!
Wow!
I got it! It just ran out from the tree!
I knew it!
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
That's an English oak. Ankle me.
Whoa, just look. That is huge. This is oak. It's not an English oak, it's an oak. It's actually impressive how huge these trees are. That was a collapsed rabbit hole. Hello there.
That's the great Christmas tree.
That is beautiful. Look at this. Every time I come here, there's something flying above us. Every single time. Have a little like playground here. Musa, what?
Yeah, what?
Nice. That's pretty cool. I think you can run from one side to the other. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Guys, look at this. You can go inside there.
Oh, there's ants in here.
Tobias. Tobias.
Hiya!
It's like a house.
Hiya!
Hello.
Don't tell my I'm here.
Okay.
Give me the camera. Hey, look at this.
Oh, very nice. Do this with Maya.
Okay.
The
Okay,
seahorse.
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 Hey, look. Climbing area. Can you do climbing?
Let's do it. Be careful, guys. Remember, safety first. Yeah? We want to have fun, but we want to be safe, right?
Okay. Okay, Dad.
Pretty cool for kids. If you got kids and you do come here to Richmond Park, they got water pond, tree house, seesaw, climbing area. They're all different. Pretty cool, different stuff in here for your kids to play in. Go on then. Whoa.
I can do it.
Yes, you can.
Awesome. I love it.
Do you like it, Tobias? Pretty cool, isn't it?
I did it!
Well done. Now be careful.
I just slid on it on my back. Safer. Safer.
Alright. What do you see? What is it?
Deer!
Okay. I think they're just walking around here.
Just look at them.
Look there, look. Are we ready now? Hello?
Come on, Rosie.
Look, red butterfly. I've never seen a red butterfly. You touch my hand.
Okay, give me.
Trees right here. Yeah, they got a fence in front of them. They actually protected ones, but I believe they are just old and they're being protected, so they don't end up like this one over there. Yeah. Would you agree?
Yeah. Yeah, don't only run down there. Maya, look! Yeah, look! Go under the wall!
Under the wall.
Yeah, there's no water in
know.
Jump in,
It's dried
Dad.
out.
Dad, jump in.
Really? Yeah. Look how big it looks.
It looks great in here when it's sun out. We wanted to get in here yesterday. It's open. Yeah. Yeah. We go here. Let's go check out the garden. Ooh. Then towards some visitor center. I think there's like a gift shop in here and stuff, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hello. You want anything? Anything you see here? You like? I feel like this could be a good one for you. Wildlife magic painting book?
Well, good luck when you're hunting for owls.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
When you see, when you hear.
You're gonna get that? You get this. Let's get gifts for your siblings and mom. And so get them one each. And what else you see? What about this I Spy? Did you pick one up? Cool. Where is it?
It's the nature one.
Nature one.
Things that we should or should not
Alright.
eat.
Now let's get something for mom. Do you want one of them, Maya?
Oh, one of those. Yes!
Yeah. Let's have a look over here. Maybe there'll be something here. A postcard, greeting cards. You got Richmond Wall.
That's £10 and £2.60, which is
What is this?
You got all these cool books in here. Richmond Park, family trade.
What's in there? Can you open it?
I think this is for. Is this for glasses? Yeah, I think so. Do you want to grab one for mom?
Yeah. I think I
Pick
should
one
get
for mom.
that one.
With the butterfly? You reckon she'll like it?
What's that then? No, that's just a tin.
Yeah.
This is a
Maybe for
smaller
sweets.
Someone's got.
Ooh. Yeah. Still got a bit more. What Tobias? Giant bees?
A giant bee.
Yeah.
Hold on. Hold on, wait. Wait, give me your hand.
Ooh.
Now twist
Mm.
it down.
It should be.
It's not coming off.
If not.
I think it's supposed to be like a wristband.
Yeah,
'Cause
maybe.
This bend.
Is it stretchy?
Yeah.
Cool, let's get that one then. I might sneak in a cheeky coffee and a croissant. Is that what you're having? Croissant.
Yeah, I have tea.
What about you, Tobias? What are you having? 3 croissants and a sausage baguette. Can I get that is that muffin? Chocolate muffin?
Three? Oh. Wait, let me
Hold
buy,
on.
let me buy that.
Never. I'm joking. Don't put no sausage. Oh.
Oh, you got the melted chocolate in there. That is so good. He's got another bird in his mouth. Yes, yes, yes.
So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit a subscribe, like and comment on this video. It lets us know that you guys want to see more. We will see you on the next one. Bye.